Hi, this is a quick video demo on how to do the lab file. Uh, and see, so this is asking you to create a file, test1, open a file, test1.txt, and then write your name 2 times 1 each line, and then close a program. So it's very straightforward. And then before you do that, you need to create a file that needs to exist. So just create that in that folder. All right. So let me show you how to do that. I'm going to be using I'm using an iMac, and I'm going to be using PyCharm. So if you're using that, you can follow this. If not, the idea is pretty much the same. So there's also a detailed let me bring this back here. Detailed notes that I posted up here that you can follow. Week 6 file demo video notes. Okay, so if you click on it, you should get this right here. Okay. So you can follow that also if you like. So I know I did a couple times before here, but first thing you want to do is to, if you want to start a new project, just give it a new project. And I think you can just give it a name here. Give it a new project. Doesn't really matter. But you can, but here you need to note this location, because while it is possible to have your test1.txt anywhere, when you're referring to that file directly without any path, it'll assume that all your files will be in that folder. All right. So you need to get to that folder. You need to make a note of this folder. And then I'm going to navigate to that folder. So here's my folder here. You can see that this is a PyCharm project. Your actual location may be a little bit different, but anyway. So here's the general folder. Now, once you create this guy here by clicking the create, you should also see project 3 here. So in this project 3, you should create test1 text file. Okay, so it's creating the main program, but I need to create a text file here. So if you want to, let me pause for a second. So I just created a test1.txt file here in the same folder. So as you can see, there's a 0 byte. If you just open it up, there's nothing there, right? So I'm going to close it, and I'm going to minimize this here. And it may populate these things for you just. But what you want to do is you want to set a file for open, and you want to open a file, and you want to write. Let's see. Test1.txt. And you want to say write. Okay. And you also want to say file write. Say John Doe or something, right? And then you want to give it a new line, right? And then maybe you want to do this one more time. And you want to say the same thing. Maybe I'll just do lowercase. And then after you write it, oops, and you need to close the file. Okay. Because whenever you open the file, you need to close it, because if you don't close them, then it just remains open and things could be written again, right? So basically all you have to do is to run this program. And let me see if I can bring up the file here. And you can click to run by clicking on this triangle here, and it tells you where it was running and stuff. But what you want to note is that your process finished with the exit code of 0. If it is anything other than a 0, then it means there has been some sort of error, or there needs to be some follow-up that you need to do. But as you can tell, it just changed from 0 byte to 17 bytes, right? So you can click on it to find out that there is a John Doe that we put it in. I mean, you can put other stuff in there, right? And here's a lowercase j that I made a intentional typo there, right? So that's all you have to do. Take a screenshot of this here all together, and then you can submit. So hope that helps. And I think that's pretty much it.